15th August 2020. Today marks a great day and opportunity for all of us as friends of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, a massive youth movement that supports our own Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i too, in the negotiation of the governance of this country in the upcoming elections, so that it can steer our country forward. We strongly believe that his candidature, that is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, he has proven beyond reasonable doubt that he is an exemplary leader and a great performer. In all the ministries he has served, Dr. Fred has shown he is up to the task, and he has the ideas that can take this country forward. FOF, that is Friends of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, was founded or is founded in the following key objectives, and this is our dream for a prosperous country. 1. Promotion of social justice in Kenya in all its ethical, social, and economic aspects. 2. Democracy and good governance in Kenya. 3. Fostering unity, cohesion, and reconciliation to all Kenyans irrespective of tribe, race, color, dogma, gender, and religion. 4. Narrowing of the gap between the rich and the poor and empowerment of marginalized members of our society. 5. Openness and transparency. And lastly, integrity, accountability, and effectiveness. Our son and friend, Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, fits the bill, and that's why the president trusted him with more mandate in the government. We as youth of this country, we are proud to be associated with such a leader, and more than ready to work with him, especially with this time that we want to take this country to the next level of prosperity for all. As Abagusi, we have come to age and are ready to go for the highest position in the country. Our numbers don't lie, and we reach out to all like-minded people to join this movement, as Dr. Fred is an idea whose time has come. He is a work leader who will safeguard the interests of the country. This movement is unstoppable, and we won't tire to support him until we see our friend Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i realizes his ambitions to take this country to a higher level. Once again, we reach to all young Kenyans we love in this country, our beautiful country, to join this movement as we all seek for a fair, just, peaceful, and prosperous country. May God bless you all. May God bless Kenya. Let me